What's up guys, it's Newbie, we're back with another video, and we are playing Beast Swarm, and Ostrods is here, so yeah, and stuff like that. Hello Ostrods. Hello. So yeah, and stuff like that. Cheese and penguins. So yeah. Let's do stuff in this episode. No idea what episode it is, I lost track. But, I don't even know. Ostrods is running around. So yeah. Hi. Nice day because yeah and stuff. So yeah and cheese. Let's go. Okay, guys. I have no idea what we're gonna do in this episode. I remember in the last episode we were trying to get royal jellies. But I forgot how to. So, get him. Hi. Ooh, you already killed this guy. Honey. Beautiful, beautiful honey. Okay, let's just go over here because why not? So yeah, and stuff. So yeah. 5 things. Use the with God, I just see royal jelly. Hello. I need you. Please. I need you. Please. Help me. I need you really badly. Love that is. Your equipped tool can't cut vines. I should be able to cut vines. Woo! How much blue guys do I have? I know I have 1, which is original blue guy. I have 2 blue guys. Okay, I have 2 blue guys. Wait, technically 3. I have 3 blue guys actually. Okay, 3. Yeah, I have 3. So I have 3 blue guys. I just need 1 more. So let's try and get a blue guy. I just need honey first. So guys, I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna go get some honey. Okay guys, I just got some more honey, but before we get the egg, let me just check out the shop and see if I can buy anything good. So yeah, and stuff. Hello. Cheese? Penguins? Open shop. Like that, but no. I have that. It's even better. Can't afford anything. I can afford that. Okay, no, okay. I can't afford. Well, nothing good. I can't afford anything good. Okay, let's just get the egg and hope. Oh, again. And ow, 2 of them. And hopefully I will get another blue bee. Why so high? Why is there a royal jelly just sitting there? I want it. How do I get it? So yeah, and stuff like that, cause cheese and penguins. So yeah. Get it! Get it! Okay, good. Okay. So yeah, and stuff like that, cause cheese and penguins. Okay, let's see if I can buy any bees. Hopefully I can, but maybe I can't. So yeah, and stuff like that. I can! I bought an egg. Okay. Let's hope I get a blue bee. Or I might just get a normal bee. And I have no more royal jellies. I'm out. West? Bees. Okay. Not making. Egg. Basic egg. Right here. And it's just the common bee. Okay. Sure. Well, I have no royal jellies. So, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, and stuff like that, because cheese and penguins. Yay. Also, guys, my birthday's coming up in like a month, so yeah, that's good. Super awesome. I cannot wait. Kill it. Basic bee is level 2 now. I don't really like the basic bee. I want a different bee. I want to turn him into a better bee. I just need royal jellies. I don't know how to get them. I see them, like one up here, but how do I get this one? Hello. Hello, brown bear. Hey there, bud. Ready to get started? I don't know. The road to an awesome hive is paved in royal jelly. If you want to unlock epic, legendary, and even mythic bees, you'll need royal jelly for sure. I've got plenty to share, and not just royal jelly. After certain milestones, I'll give you all sorts of cool rewards, including gold, diamonds, and even mythic eggs. But those all come way down the road for now. Let's keep it simple. Check out the quest I put in your quest menu, and report back when you collected all the pollen. Okay, sure. Is it? Brown bear, you're brown bear. Collect 15,000 white pollen. Okay, sure, why not? Because yeah, and stuff like that. Let's find all the white pollen. Collect the white pollen. Collect the white pollen. So guys, I'm gonna be back when I collected enough white pollen. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I completed all of his quests, so let's talk to him now. Great job, bud. Here's some royal jellies. Complete 4 more and I'll give you field dice. And if you complete 24 more, I'll give you a silver egg. I haven't quite finished preparing the next quest for you. Check back with me in 55 minutes, and you'll be ready to roll. So I got a royal jelly! This is amazing! There he is! Okay, this is good. I can finally turn basic bee into something else. I got royal jellies! Yes, this is the thing I needed for a long time. Now I got it. Yes. Okay, let's go turn the basic bee we just got into a different bee, I guess. Okay. Let's go. No, not. Oh. Let's just. Transform basic bee auto jellies on. Yeah. Rad bee. I think I already have that. Yeah, oh, I have 2 rad bees now. Okay, then. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, because why not? Like, because why not? And I'll see you in the next one. Penguins.